Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Shovel Knight on Android using an easy method. We will go through all the steps, from getting the right tools to setting up your game for the best experience. This guide is designed to help you enjoy this classic platformer on your mobile device with minimal fuss. Get ready to dive into the world of Shovel Knight, right in the palm of your hand, in just a few simple steps. To begin, you will need two main things. First, download a reputable game emulator from the Google Play Store. There are several excellent free options available. Second, you will need the Shovel Knight game file itself, which you can transfer to your device. Make sure your Android phone or tablet has at least 2 GB of free storage to accommodate both the emulator and the game file for smooth operation. Once you have both the emulator and the game file, open the emulator application. You will then need to navigate through its interface to locate and load your Shovel Knight game file. Take some time to configure the on-screen controls to your liking. Many emulators offer extensive customization. Additionally, adjust the video and audio settings to ensure the best possible performance and visual quality on your specific device. Now you are ready to play. For an even better experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android device. It often provides more precise control than touchscreens. Dive into the game's multiple campaigns and discover all the secrets Shovel Knight has to offer. Most importantly, remember to save your progress frequently within the game to ensure you do not lose any of your hard-earned achievements. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.